Among the many Naga communities living in the national capital, the Tangkhul Naga tribe of Manipur sees the highest number of new faces in the national capital every year. To welcome the freshers and make them feel at home in a new city, a student union TKLD recently organized the 16th Tangkhul Freshers Meet in the capital. A report.
Every year, thousands of students from the Northeast region migrate to the national capital to pursue the dreams of higher education or jobs. Over the years, Delhi has been an education hub for the Northeast region. Among the many tribes living in the city, the Tangkhul Naga of Manipur is listed as a community which gets the highest count of newcomers every year. Tangkhul Katamnaulong Delhi TKLD, a student union, recently offered a warm welcome and organized the 16th edition of Yarthot Kazib or Freshers Meet at Talkatore Indoor Stadium. Celebrated under the theme Angayung Machonkulisa, which means revitalizing the root, the gathering was attended by around 3,000 people from across the community.
Through this event, we try to promote our culture and tradition. And not only that, on this particular day, we also welcome the freshers here in Delhi with a note of awareness. This year we have tried to incorporate some activities to make it more student-centric.
The second session was quite an entertaining one with live performances from Warjan Pishaiza, Shimringam Horam, Aces of Underdog, Yemichon Kosom Moshi, Project Envisage, among others. The female fans were left enthralled by an audibly stimulating performance by Yung Yung.
First program
A short play based on a mother's love and addiction to gadgets among the young generation was also performed by the TKLD team. The fun day-long event saw a huge footfall from the other Naga communities as well. Ever since its inception, the aim of TKLD strives to cultivate and instill excellence in the pursuit of education to preserve, promote and uphold socio-economic and cultural heritage of the Tangkhul community and other Naga tribes.
On any occasion like today, the Tangkhul Brothers of Manipur, they have organized this Freshers Meet. It's a very good turn-up. Students around 3,000 have participated. It's a very grand success. So this is how we reach out to our people. So our job is to just ensure them, guide them, work as a guardian to ensure the safety and security.
Yarthot Kazib is undoubtedly one of the most sought-after events for all the newcomers from the Naga tribes. The event builds connection among them and the already existing members of the tribes. By giving a platform dedicated to the newcomers, the student union continues to strengthen and consolidate the fraternity, unity and integrity of the community.